Alright, so I'm here at a Skyline, which is a restaurant in El Nido. I'm about to try the bird's nest soup. I've never tried bird's nest before, so I'm interested in trying it at least once. It's very expensive though. Like a small bag is like 1,000 pesos. Just a pinch of it is 200 pesos. The soup itself is 200 pesos. So, but I'm curious into what it tastes like. Bird's nest is is the saliva of the swallow. It's harvested here around El Nido in the cliffs, so that's why it's pretty expensive in terms of harvesting it. But we'll see what it tastes like later on. Alright, so my order just got here. Here's his. That's bird's nest soup. They only added a pinch of it, so it's only 200 pesos, so it's not the 1,000 pesos that is a whole bag that are this big. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, it's hot. Prepare my tongue. That was stupid. But it just tastes just like any regular egg drop soup, obviously, because there's quite a lot of eggs in there, or what the Filipinos call nido soup. There's some spring onions, but that's it. It's alright. 200 pesos, no. It's just the allure of the bird's nest, I gotta say. But if you want to try it, by all means, try it. To me, though, it's not that special. But that's my opinion on it.